Bryan Kohberger is scheduled to appear in Pennsylvania court tomorrow, where he is expected to waive his extradition hearing. But what does that mean in the overall process of getting Kohberger back to Idaho? I sat down with a criminal justice professor from Sacramento State University to break down what lies ahead for the suspected Moscow murderer. We know from our sister station in Pennsylvania, Bryan Kohberger is behind bars at the Monroe County Correctional Facility. Officials brought him here after he was arrested early Friday morning. And here is where he'll stay until his appearance in a Pennsylvania court Tuesday, where his attorney shared he's planning to waive his extradition hearing.
Basically, all that means is that he is not planning to fight his transport back to Idaho. So he essentially will accept that transport back to Idaho.
Dr. Danielle Slakoff, an assistant professor of criminal justice at Sacramento State University, explains what this legal phrase means and why a suspect could choose to do this.
My take on waiving that extradition hearing is that he is ready to have his day in court to see the charges against him, because they have not actually released the information that they have leading to his arrest yet. So I really take that to mean that he's ready to see what they have on him, and he is hoping to be absolved of being absolved of guilt or blame.
In addition to sharing a plan to waive extradition, this weekend, Kohberger's attorney shared a statement on behalf of his client. He says, quote, "Mr. Kohberger is eager to be exonerated of these charges and looks forward to resolving these matters as promptly as possible." Dr. Slakoff says the use of exonerated in the statement jumped out at her.
When someone's exonerated, generally that means they've already been convicted and sentenced. So it is an interesting choice of words by him, reportedly, that he used the word exonerated.
She says she's surprised he didn't use the word acquitted.
It's possible he could have said, I'm looking forward to being acquitted, which means being found not guilty.
In a court of law, suspects are presumed innocent until proven otherwise. And despite the noted interesting choice of words, Kohberger's attorney says at this time his client also deserves that presumption of innocence. Bryan Kohberger is expected to appear in Pennsylvania court tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 12:30 p.m. our time. Following that hearing, he will be transported to Idaho as early as this week. There, he'll face the first-degree murder and felony burglary charges against him.